His Holiness, my question is that women are usually at the bottom of the chain in any society. I would like to know whether there will ever be a lady Dalai Lama.
Karsha. Firstly, Buddha give equal right, male and female. The highest ordination, bhikshu, bhikshuni. And then in Tibetan or in Indian great Buddhist master, some bhikshu, some bhikshunis. And yogi, yogini, they are equal. Then I think more than 15 years ago, one occasion, one magazine, in French, one magazine, mainly ladies, for ladies, the editor, she came to see me, and she asked me, in future, Dalai Lama can be female Dalai Lama. Then I immediately say, yes. If the circumstances is such female body more effective, then certainly yes. Among Tibetan sort of high Lama, like Samdik Dorje Parmo, I think since 700 years ago already, that whole lineage, female, very high sort of position among the reincarnation, Samdik Dorje Parmo, like that. So it is quite, I think, in Tibetan sort of tradition, Buddhist tradition, very liberal, no problem.
Thank you very much.
But of course, the 14th Dalai Lama, now through surgery, you can, I think impossible to make female.
Hello? Thank you so much.
Namaste, Your Holiness. Namaste and welcome. I'm Elsie Gabriel, environmentalist and journalist. My question to you is, we read your message today on fighting climate change and we adults leaving behind a more intactful planet for our next generation, our students here.
Yes, it is very, very important. Global warming really now become very serious. According to my own lifetime, when we were young, those mountains, the surrounding Lhasa, usually you see some whole year, some snow. But that gradually, year by year, less and less. Now in Dharamsala, now 59 years, or 1 year I spent in Mussoorie. Then 1960, the government of India arranged my more or less permanent residence in Dharamsala. So summer 60, I shifted to Dharamsala. That winter, very thick snow at our place. Saw ashram, they are very thick, about 1 foot. You see, thick. Then, year by year, snowfall less. So, few occasions, I sort of request some local authority. Now this So they eventually shortage of water may face at Dharamsala. So concerned people should make some plan, water reserve, Dharamsala. At the moment, nobody. So they now in Tibet also, now gradually level of the river and some lakes less. So when I because of the flu was flying on and from Europe to India on Afghanistan, very clear sort of picture, and previously huge lake, and now some cases become very small lake, some cases completely dry. So therefore, now they due to global warming, the water shortage really become very serious. So we have to think very seriously how to take also the care about water, about environment. It's very important. Yes.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I'm Pallavi Kojar from IIT Bombay. I would like to ask you that what is the relationship between spirituality and eternity?
I don't know.